I'm having technical difficulties. Hacha.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tundra TRD off-road that now looks just like a 2020. All of these parts up front, we went through the process. 2020 parts, everything up front. Basically, you know, you're looking at a 2014 to a 2021. They are pretty close, but really 2014 to 2020. And you could take any 07 to 13 and you can do this. You know, you can do this. It costs just a little bit. Give your truck a new facelift up front by changing out these fenders, changing out the headlights, changing out the hood, changing out the grill, and a bunch of the brackets and stuff that goes in there. We'll get into that. I'll get you a whole list of all the parts that you need if you want to do this. You know, in our case, we were going to have to buy everything anyway except the driver's side fender and the driver's side headlight. So we decided, you know what, we haven't ever done this before, so we thought we'd give it a shot. We'd share it with all of you. So if you wanted to do it to your truck, you'd have a step-by-step. It's not real hard. In the last video, we did move the stands around. You have to do that, kind of move the stands around. And then, you know, basically it's not hard, but we moved them all around. Got everything fitting perfect. Everything looks phenomenal. This magnificent truck is gonna get painted today. JP, he's on his way up here. We're gonna take all these parts off. We're gonna scuff them up, clean them up, get them up in the booth, get them painted super white, and get them put back on this truck. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Man, and just like that, we do have all our parts back here in the booth. Everything is getting ready to be painted. We got our bumper pieces. We got our trim pieces. We got our hood here. If this is your first time here, the next thing we need to do is we need to put wax and grease remover on all these parts, wipe them all down, make sure we got all the imperfections all that off. Then we'll tack it down with the cloth. We'll mix up the paint, and then we'll fire this booth up and we'll start spraying this super white. So let's hop to it. Man, we got 3 good coats of base on this sucker. JP, he got everything fired up. It just leveled down, laid down, smooth, smooth, smooth. Before that, he put some plastic primer, some kind of plastic primer. He keeps hid in a box over there. So that's gonna help the plastic, that plastic part just adhere. The paint just stick right to it. So that's good stuff. So let's hop in here and get some clear coat put on. Alrighty guys, check this thing out. Check this beautiful 2020 front end on this truck. Man, JP, he done a phenomenal job matching this color, getting everything all painted up. The hood, the headlights, the grill, everything is looking magnificent. We still got a couple of things to do to button it on up. We just can't fit everything up here quick today. But my goodness, we are super excited about the way this one turned out. So we probably do a couple of mods to this thing. Maybe put us a light bar down here. Maybe try to find some lights up here. I know they make a light bar that goes up here that's really nice that we saw for like $1,000 bucks, but I don't know if that's in the budget. And we still got to talk about the Alpha X headlights. We still got to get all that stuff wired up. Probably do some of that stuff in the next video. But we do appreciate each and every one of you stopping by. We appreciate you watching our videos. We cannot thank you enough. So please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.